Okey, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Nama saya Nik Zahra. Hari ini kami akan membentangkan mini project data visualization about hotel prediction. Okay, my team members Ahmad Afiq, Sarhan, Arif dan saya Nik Zahra. Okay, for the content of the mini project, one is introduction, root cause identification, preview the data and conclusion. Okay, for the introduction, the concept for our mini project is COVID-19 pandemic has sent shock waves of disruption to worldwide travel plans as travel restrictions have been imposed and flights have been cancelled. The consequence are backpackers and travelers are cancelling their booking for hotels, flights and tour. The global travel industry has been overwhelmed by the large number of coronavirus-induced cancellation. So can we predict whether or not a hotel was likely to receive a disproportionately high number of special requests? Okay. For the data set, first the data set used in this project taken from a hotel booking demand data set written by Nuno Antonio, Ana Almeida and Luis Nunes on February 2019 from Kaggle platform. And it consists of one CSV files, which are hotel bookings with 32 columns and 119,391 rows. Okay, for the objectives of our mini project, first to evaluate feature importance. For example, which features are most important to predict hotel booking cancellations. Second, to predict the guests who are most likely to cancel their reservation, and this will help to generate better forecasts and reduce business decision uncertainty. Third, build a model that could predict bookings with a high cancellation probability. Fourth, this notebook aims to predict the future number of guests for each hotel type. Okay.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Muhammad Arif. So now I will present the root cause identification. So for the root cause identification, we use the 5W and 1H method. The 5W is who, what, when, and where, and 1H is the how. So for who is involved. On this project, this data set is ideal for anyone looking to practice their exploratory data analysis EDA or get started in building predictive models. And for the second W, which is the what project you do. This data set contains booking information for a city hotel and a resort hotel and includes information such as when the booking was made, length of stay, the number of adults, children, and or babies, and the number of available parking spaces, among other things. So next is the third W, which is the when. So the year of the data set, the data is originally from the article Hotel Booking Demand Dataset, written by Nuno Antonio, Ana Almeida and Luis Nunes for Data in Brief, Volume 22, February 2019. The data was downloaded and cleaned by Thomas Mock and Antoine Wychet for Tidy Tuesday during the week of February 11th, 2020. The next W is where. So location dataset was done. This project has been downloaded testing from Kaggle web base. So for the next slide, the last W, which is the why. So why this project is conducted. So have you ever wondered when the best time of year to book a hotel room is, or the optimal length of stay in order to get the best daily rate? What if you wanted to predict whether or not a hotel was likely to receive a disproportionately high number of special requests? So these hotel booking data sets can help you explore those questions, meaning that this project was carried out to make a prediction on a hotel was likely to receive a high number of special requests. For example, we can predict the next booking, next number of booking, and when is the best time of the year where many people are booking hotel and so on. So using this project, we actually can predict the future trends of people on booking hotel. And the last one is the 1H, which is the how. So the how question, how this project can support. So to accomplish our aim, we will perform simple dataset visualization and analysis. We will use Seaborn broadly libraries for the visualization. For the first step, I will clear the data and then use an auto RMR model for the predicted future number of guests. So with these data sets we downloaded from Kaggle, we will clean the data first. We will remove the unwanted columns. We will remove the null values. We will drop some columns to clean this data so we can continue to the visualization. So the data cleaning is very important steps or phase in this project, because if we clear the data, we clean the data properly at this phase, so the visualization, the next process, which is the data visualization, will be much easier, where we will make a visualization from clean data sets. So that's all from me, and I will pass to my other team members for the rest of the slide. Thank you very much.
Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is AhmadZambriBinShahuddin. Okay, I will present about our mini project. Okay, basically this our mini project. We are using Anaconda, Jupyter. Okay, first we import some data type. Okay, and we collect data. And then here we run and we execute the extracted data. Okay, we detected some features have a wrong data type, so we fix the data type using following step. Okay, and then we are doing some data cleaning for this data. So drop company and agent. Okay, and then just cleaning data for children. And then we checking again missing value after we drop. All of it okay. So we converting string month to numeral 1. So December equal to 12 and January equal to 1. Okay. And then we create a new column based on numerical represent of the month. Then we create some floating integer conversion. Okay, for this command, we create 3 column merge into 1. Okay, after that we execute, can get this result. Next, we converting from data type column to correct type using this command. Okay, and then we calculating total guess for each record. Okay, we next we sum for data point include 0 total guess. So we drop them. For this, we create of two data frame include only discrete hotel type. For this command, we calculate number of guests weekly, and then we execute. So arrive date can get result lah. Okay, this we testing the correct number of guests weekly city hotel. It's the result. So we create some data visualization. So for the first, we create by country. So and then we using fig.show to locating the data. Then here ada output number of record by country. So basically we can show here the Portugal is the according to this map, most of the customer are coming from Portugal. Yeah. Okay. And as you can see from the figure, the customer are usually coming from the Europe region. Okay, Europe region. Next, we are doing some testing for number record monthly. Okay, according to this figure, the city hotel has always the highest number of record for all dates. You can see the seasonal difference of the number record easily. Okay, city hotel is orange color and blue is resort hotel. Okay, next we're doing some number of record weekly resort hotel customer type. Okay, this one for number record weekly city hotel. Okay, this one is number of guests weekly, and this graph is number of guests by customer type. Okay, as seen from the graph, for the graph here, the transient number of guests is increasing significantly. On the other hand, in the group and the contract guests are generally stable. Transient party of the number guests are decreased. Okay. The number guests by market segment. The online segment, online segment is blue. Are increasing for each season. The hotel owner would like to think about improving their social media or website for having the attention of potential customer online. Guys, increasing. Okay, for this graph is distributed on market segment by different hotel type. Okay, orange is city, blue is resort hotel. Okay. Okay. This is distribution of roof by type ADR. For the next, that the guests get the reserve room. Okay. Yes, it's totally yes. City hotel, 2 yes. Okay, so we testing using algorithm ARIMA model to predict number of guests of city hotel. ARIMA model is a algorithm to prediction. So as you can see here, ADR Then this correlation graph for this hotel. Okay. So mean rolling standard deviation weekly number of guests the hotel. Original is blue. Then rolling mean red, and the black is prediction. Okay. For this, we fit auto ARIMA function to number of guests city weekly datasheet to predict to repair it by using stepwise fit. Okay. So basically, is loading to run this using Twitter, depending on processor of computer. So for this data, we managed to run it by 30 seconds only. Okay, next, after we clean it up and prediction data algorithm has been cleaned up, and then the result prediction of number of guests to hotel, we test first. Total guests is decreased, but the prediction say is will be increased for next month. So we put the real data on here, and then result is here. Okay. For the next we testing, we do some added calculation of the weekly result hotel, and then we managed to do some others graph here about cancel or buy hotel type. So resort and city hotel, about 37% of resort hotel booking has been cancelled, and about 14% of city hotel booking has been cancelled too. This figure are high and have possible effect for hotel in terms of sale and revenue. Okay, this algorithm we execute graph can cancel or not by deposit type. So we do some algorithm here using PLT, and then around 38% of booking were cancelled by guests, no deposit, followed by 22% booking were cancelled with refundable. This number are huge if the hotel were not able to replace the cancelled booking in time. So it obvious that guests do not pay any deposit while booking are likely to cancel more reservation. Also, it is interesting to note that non-refundable deposit had more cancellation than refundable deposit. Logically, one will have assumed that refundable deposit have more cancellation as authority rate are usually high for refundable deposit type from type group, and customer pay more anticipation of cancellation. Okay. Here rhythm about file ratio cancellation due to day in waiting list. Okay, less than 100 day. Yeah, not cancel is 33%, and cancel is 37%. Between 100 and 200 day here, and more than 200 day is the result. Next, we do some graph fine ratio of cancellation due to previous cancellation. Less than 9 times, 36%, and then more than 18 times, 100% cancel. Okay. That's it for our Python command for mini project hotel prediction, and thanks.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Afiq. I'm gonna talk about the conclusion. Big data is absolutely transformational for business in every industry. Big data is stealing the hospitality industry by associating with customer behavior and interactions. Hotels and other facilities functioning under hospitality fans are getting grip with the concept of big data. To increase its performance and revenue, hotels leverage big data to tailor customized experience and optimally price and manage their consumers. The hospitality industry is now stepping into the adventure of using big data to personalize and enhance customer experience. With the help of big data analytics, they provide sophisticated services even before the consumer think about them. Thank you.